Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Let's wait for 1 more minute, then we will start. Only 7 students have joined the meeting yet.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Hello, beta Uzair, how are you?
Sir, I am fine. What about you?
कट रही है बेटा तुम्हारी आवाज में?
Hey. सर अपन तो फुल एंजॉय में।
मनाल रस्तोगी, दक्ष भारद्वाज, रिष्टिका वर्मा, नैतिक गर्ग.
Sir, Daksh Bharadwaj present.
Yes, yes, yes.
सर मनाल रस्तोगी प्रेजेंट.
Yes, yes, yes. Beta, you don't have to give your attendance like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You see
Write in chat box.
students giving attendance everywhere, wherever they can, there is any scope of giving attendance, they give their attendance. They give attendance on WhatsApp, they give attendance on Zoom. When they join the meeting, they say, sir, XYZ present, ABC present. And now they have started giving attendance on the chat box also. So wherever there is any scope of giving the attendance, they give the attendance. It is not like that. We take the screenshots. The teachers, when you join the meeting, we take the screenshot. Okay, so now let us start. Yeah. So till which question we have done in this class?
Sir, question number 16.
We have done till question number 16. Okay. Question 17 is your homework. I gave you in homework. It is same as question 16, based on the same concept. So I would like you all to try it once in homework. Okay. And now let us start with question number 18, which is there on the board also. Yeah. So let me first explain the question to you. It is very simple, an easy question. So are you all ready for it now? Are you all sitting with the books and copies? Yeah. So now in question number 18, Raju is 19 years younger than his cousin. There are two people, Raju and his cousin. The first one is Raju. Second one is his cousin. So the cousin is, sorry, we are talking about Raju. Raju is 19 years younger than the cousin. 19 years younger than the cousin. That means out of the two, who is the elder one? Raju or the cousin?
Cousin.
Cousin is elder. Because Raju is younger, that means cousin is the elder one. So what is the difference between the age of the two? What is the difference given? 19 is the
19 years.
Cousin is 19 years elder. Can we say like this? Raju is 19
Yes,
years younger, that means cousin is 19 years elder. ये का मतलब है इसका. So if we assume that Raju's age is X, let Raju's age be X, then what is cousin's age? It is X plus 19, because cousin is 19 years elder than Raju. Clear these two statements. If cousin is X, yes, beta. Anything? Nothing?
Sir, can I write 19 plus X?
Beta, you can write 19 plus X also. If you want, you can write x plus 19 also. So if Raju's age is x, then cousin is 19 years elder than Raju. That means cousin's age is x plus 19. Okay. Now, what happened after five years? It is given in the question that 5 years, after 5 years, their ages will be in the ratio 2/3. After 5 years, what happened? After 5 years, Raju's age
There is
and cousin's age, the ratio of the ages of the two people, दोनों की ages का ratio, that means Raju's age upon cousin's age, this is given equal to 2/3. Is it clear? Raju's age upon cousin's age is given equal to 2/3. Now what will be Raju's age after 5 years? Right now present age, what is the present age of Raju? It is x. After 5 years Raju's age will be
x
how
plus
much?
x
It will
plus
be
5.
x plus 5.
plus 5.
So in place of Raju's age, I have written x plus 5. In place of cousin's age, I will write x plus 19 plus 5. Because cousin भी 5 साल बड़ा हो जाएगा. Cousin's present age कितनी है? What is the present age of cousin? X plus 19. So after 5 years, cousin will be x plus 19 plus 5. Got it? So this is your equation. X plus 5 upon x plus 19 plus 5, the ratio of the ages of the two is given equal to 2/3. Equal to 2/3. Now 19 plus 5 is 24. So solve this equation, cross multiply. P will go in the numerator in the LHS and x plus 24 will go in the numerator in the RHS. So 3 into x plus 5 equals to 3 into x plus 22. Open the brackets. 3x plus 15, 2x plus 48. 2 into 24 is equal to 48. Now what? This 2x you will take to LHS. 2x when you take to LHS, it will be subtracted from 3x. 3x minus 2x is equal to x. And 15 you will take to RHS. So 48 minus 15 is equal to 33. So x is equal to 33 years. This is the age of Raju. Raju's age is x, so that means Raju's age is equal to 33 years. What is cousin's age? What we have assumed cousin's age, it is x plus 19. So cousin's age is equals to x plus 19, therefore 33 plus 19, it gives you 52 years. Have you all understood the question?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Note down the question now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Note down the question.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Sir, written.
Okay. Now, next question. Question number 19.
Sir, please wait.
Join the meeting late. Take the screenshot.
Sir,
Question 19. This question says, a father is 30 years older than his son. Very good. So if the son is X, father will be X plus 30. In 12 years, the man will be 3 times as old as his son. What is this? In 12 years, the man will be 3 times as old as his son. Find their present ages. Okay. So, present ages. Present. We're talking about the present ages of the two. First of all, let the son's age be. So there is a father and a son. The father is 30 years older than his son. Father is 30 years older than the son.
Then his son.
So if the son is X years old, the father will be. So father says
Percentages.
X minus 30.
X plus 30 बेटा. Father
30.
फादर को छोटा कर दो से. फादर बड़े हैं या छोटे हैं अपने सन से? कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि फादर अपने सन से छोटे हो गए? नहीं ना. So father is 30 years older than the son. So अगर son की age X है, then the father's age will be X plus 30. Okay. Now after 12 years, in 12 years, यानी कि आज से 12 साल बाद, man will be. So let us first see after 12 years. After 12 years, 12 साल. What will be son's age?
Noise is
After
coming.
12 years, son's age will be X plus 12. Very good. Father's age. Nice. I like when students give response like this. Father's age will be after 12 years. Father's age क्या हो जाएगी? Father उतने की रहेंगे या father भी बड़े हो जाएंगे? 12 साल.
Sir, noise is coming.
Better keep your mics off. Yeah. So 12 साल बाद 12 after 12 years, father's age will be how much? Fathers उतने ही बड़े रहेंगे या father बड़े हो जाएंगे 12 साल बाद?
Sir, बड़े हो जाएंगे.
सर बड़े हो जाएंगे.
Obviously, father will be X plus 30 plus 12. Okay, so this will be father's age after 12 years. Now this is equal to X plus 42. Father is now after 12 years. Father will be X plus 42 years old. Now what? How will you form the equation? So after 12 years, man means father. Man यहाँ पर किसके लिए use हो रहा है? Father के लिए. The man will be 3 times as old as his son. After 5 years, the man will be 12 years. After 12 years, the man, this is the man यानी कि father.
Ma'am, plus 42 because plus 42. X plus 42.
X plus 42, yes. The man will be,
Yes, sir.
very good beta,
The man.
will be how much?
Hello?
3 times the age of sun. 3 times
So
the age
3
of
times.
3
3
multiplied
times.
by x plus 12. 3 times the age of sun. So 3 into x plus 12.
Okay, sir.
Father will be matlab equal to. Father will be 3 times the age of sun. Equation is clear.
3x plus 36. 3x plus 36.
Very good. Very good. This is father. Who is this? Who is this? What is your name, beta?
3x plus 36.
Your father.
अग्रिम सक्सेना वेरी गुड बेटा
Okay.
थोड़ा नीचे बोलो तुम्हारा माइक जो है बहुत ज्यादा आवाज दे रहा है वॉल्यूम
Sorry, sir.
हाँ नो प्रॉब्लम सॉरी वाली क्या बात 42
So
minus
30.
6 is 3x minus x. It is not your fault, it is your mic's fault. Mic is of very good quality. 42 minus 36 is equal to 6. Sorry, yeah. And 3x minus x is equal to 2x. Now you can take this 2 in the denominator. So here I am doing it. 6 upon
Sir,
2
x is equal to 3.
3, sir. 3.
is equal to x. That means x is equal to 3 years.
3 years.
X is equal to 3 years. So this is the age of sun. What is the father's age?
Sir, I'll tell the answer.
So multiply by 3.
अरे नहीं बेटा. Why?
Father age is 33. 33.
33. Sir, 33.
3 plus 30. That means 33 years.
33.
अगर फादर की
Father.
एज 3 मल्टीप्लाई करके देखोगे तो फादर तो 9 इयर्स क्या है 9 इयर्स के फादर बस तो 3 plus 30 father says
Sir, done.
33 years old
Well
present.
done.
Nice. But you all have to find the father's age also in the end. I am not doing it. You all have to do it.
Sir, I have done. Father says also.
Sir, 33.
Yes, nice. All of you, when I am asking you some questions, you please keep your mics on at that time, and remaining time you can keep your mic off because sometimes it disturbs the students also. The students. Please keep your mic off. All the mics which are on. Lok Bhojwani, Naitik Garg, and Agrim Saxena. Keep your mic off.
Okay, sir.
Sir, done.
Okay. Let's move to the next one.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
can I go to drink water?
Yes, yes. Bring a glass of water for me also. Question number 20. The ages of Sonal and Manoj are in the ratio 7:5. 10 years hence, the ratio of their ages will be 9:7. Find their present ages. Nice. This is question number 20. Okay. Question number 20. Two people are there, Sonal and Manoj. Sonal and Manoj. Their ages are in the ratio 7:5. तो present ages की बात करते हैं अभी. First present ages. Beta, please ignore me for my writing. You all have a very big heart. I know you can ignore me for my this mistake that I have a very bad handwriting. I really apologize for it. Present ages. Sonal's present age. And Manoj's present age. अभी बात करते हैं. Now, in the question, it is given that the ages of Sonal and Manoj are in the ratio. Are in the ratio मतलब present ages. We are talking about the present age of Sonal and Manoj, and the ratio of their ages is given 7:5. The ratio of the Beta Rishika, please keep your mic off. Ratio of the present ages of the two people is given 7:5. That means Sonal's age you can assume as 7x, and
7x,
you can assume as 5x.
5x.
Sonal's age 7x, Manoj's age 5x, because the ratio is given 7:5. So अगर एक बंदे की age 7x है तो दूसरे की 5x होगी. Now what happened? 10 years hence. What is the meaning of 10 years hence? 10 years hence मतलब again after 10 years. Future में चले गए. 10 years hence.
Plus 10. Sir, plus 10.
After hence का meaning भी यही होता है बेटा. After 10 years. 10 years.
Yes,
hence.
sir.
The meaning is there. After 10 years. Sonal's age. Sonal बड़ी हो जाएगी 10 साल बाद. कितने की हो जाएगी?
Yes, sir.
Sonal will become 7x plus 10. And Manoj says it will be 5x plus 10. This much. Now what? What happened after 5 years? The ratio of, after 10 years, what happened? The ratio of their ages will be 9:7. Now the ratio of the ages of the two people.
तो सर
Yes, beta.
तो सर सोनल की एज तो सर 35 निकलेगी और सर सर ये मोनो की सर एज सर 25 निकलेगी.
Yes. After 10 years, the ratio of the ages will be 9:7. That means Sonal's age upon Manoj's age, the ratio of the ages of the two people will be 9/7. Clear? The equation is clear?
Yes, sir.
Cross multiply.
So how to
explain this question again?
Sorry, beta, not able to hear what you are saying. 7
Sir, how we are getting 9/7?
Beta, it is given in the question.
Yes, sir.
10 years, after 10 years, the ratio of the ages will become 9/7. Ratio change हो जाएगा 10 साल बाद. कितना हो जाएगा? It will become 9/7. ऐसा बुक में लिखा है. Got it? 49 plus 70 is equal to
45.
plus
and
9
plus 900.
plus 90 and 100 कहाँ से आ गए 90.
90.
Sorry.
Now 49x minus 45x is equal to 90 minus 70. 4x equals to 20. X equals to 20 upon 4. X equals to 5 years. What is the present age of Sonal? Sonal की age
Sir, 35.
35.
But
7x.
35.
Yes.
And Manoj 25. Manoj 25.
Then you have done the good.
Sir, Manoj 25.
Ah, very good, beta. Keep your mic off now.
Okay, sir.
7 into 5. 35 years.
yes, sir.
This age. He will become 5 into 5. That means
Sir,
25 years.
sir, please tell how is it in multiplication?
How what?
This is into.
Why we are doing this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta, see the value of x is 5.
Yes.
The value of x is 5. Now, what is the age of Sonal? 7 into
7.
x. Yeah, that means 7 into 5. 35. And to find Manoj's age, you will multiply 5 and 5. Put the value of x here. 5 into 5 is 25. Got it?
Yes, sir. So please do 18th one.
Yes, sir.
Beta, good morning. Hello, how are you? Where were you? How are you and where were you?
Sir, I am not be able to join, sir. That's why, sir, I am late.
Beta, now there is a solution. Very good solution is there. I will be sending the recorded video at 1:20. If you have missed
Sir, done.
in the starting, you can watch the video. YouTube video will be shared. Okay. Okay. Is there any problem?
No, sir. So now we will do which question?
Yes. Just telling. Wait.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, I have taken the screenshots of answer which you are writing because if my would be wrong, so I can check. So I can send that screenshot on the group.
नहीं बेटा नहीं. Don't send the screenshot. Don't send the screenshot. Okay. Okay. Now question number 21. 5 years ago, a man was 7 times as old as his son. 5 years since, the father will be 3 times as old as his son. Find their present ages. Again, the question is of the same type. Age problem. Age problem is there.
Break लगा.
बेटा keep your mics off. नैतिक गर्ग mic बंद कर लो. Question number 21. Five years ago. Present ages मान लेते हैं. अच्छा, who are the two people here? There is a man and there is his son. Again, father and son. So father's age. Achha. Okay. So we have to do this in one variable.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, so in this we will take 5 years ago some man age.
Yeah, we will assume the man's age be X 5 years ago. We will not take the present age of the man. We will take
तो उसमें से ये पूछो सर 5 साल पहले उसकी आग तो उसकी एज कितनी
5
होगी?
years ago. Okay. So 5 years ago, father's age. First of all, son's age. Let us assume that the son's age is X. Son's age is equal to X. We have assumed that the 5 years ago age of the son 5 years ago is X. Okay, let the age of the son 5 years ago be X. So what will be the father's age? Father's age is, now it is given in the question that father is 5 times as old as 5 times or 7 times. It's 7 times. Sorry. So it is 7x. Father's age 5 years ago is 7 times of the son's age, that is 7x. Now 5 years hence, that means after 5 years. 5 years hence. After 5 years. Now what is the difference?
Seven x plus 5. Father's age and son's age is x plus 5.
नहीं बेटा सुनो ध्यान से सुनो. There is a trick in the question. Only those students are going to be able to understand who are sitting with their brains in the class. Okay? Are you all sitting with your brain in the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, nice. So,
Sir, always. I said
so 5 years ago, son's age was X. Now, after 5 years, मतलब आज से 5 साल पहले और आज से 5 साल बाद, what is the difference between the two ages?
Sir, ये after 5 years.
10 years, sir.
10 years, correct? The difference is 10 years, not 5 years. अच्छा एक बात बताओ. Listen, all of you.
Sir,
Let us take an example. What is your present age? Let us assume that your present age is 12. ठीक है, मान लेते हैं 12 है.
okay, sir.
ठीक है. What was your age 5 years ago? What was your age 5 years ago?
7.
7.
12 minus 5, 7. अच्छा,
7.
दोबारा से आज की एज पर आ जाते हैं. It is 12. After 5 years, your age will be
17.
17.
17.
Your 5 years ago age and 5 years after. What is the
10 years.
total difference? It is 10 years. 7 साल और 17. 7 and 17. What is the total difference? It is
10 years.
So the difference from 5 years ago to 5 years hence, the difference is 10 years, not 5 years. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes.
So after 5 years, son's age will be
X plus 5.
X plus 10.
X plus 10.
Yeah. And father's age will be
7x plus 10.
बहुत अच्छे 7x plus 10. Very good. Now what? The equation. 5 years hence, the father will be 3 times as old as his son. Father will be, यहाँ पे will be आएगा, वहां पर आपका equal to आएगा. Father's age will be 3 times the age of son. 3 times the age of son. The equation is clear. Solve the equation.
Yes, sir.
Meeting ends. If the meeting ends, you are going to solve the equation on your own. If it is left, and take a screenshot, please, all of you. 7x minus 3x is equal to 30 minus 10. 4x is equal to 20. That means x is equal to 20 upon
5.
5.
5. So please screenshot all of you of this. The question is not complete. It is not complete.
Yes, sir.
Father age.
Sir, done. So my answer is coming 40 years and 10 years.
Present age of
Yes, sir.
1 x plus 5 y x plus 5 यानी कि 10 years.
Yes, sir. It is correct. Sir, son ki 10 years.
7x
Son.
plus 5. That means 7 into 5 plus 5. So it will be 35 plus 5. That means
Yes, sir. मेरा correct है. तो son की age 10 है और sir father की age 40 है.
take a screenshot all of you. मैंने x plus 5 क्यों कराया? Because ये 5 साल पुरानी एज है x. Present age के लिए क्या करेंगे? You will add 5. X is the 5 years ago age. 5 years old age. Now the present age is x plus 5. So that is why we added 5 in both the cases.
Sir, done.
10 years and 40 years. Take the screenshot.
Sir.